This is heavy, 18 kilos it says on the box. And you can see in here, I don't know if you can with the light, but there's a deep impression that's been left in here by the weight of the printer. While it was in the box. Okay, so hello, there she is. Ooh. I just got a static shot there. Oh, I wonder what that paper's for. Yeah, we'll see soon in the paper. Oh. Okay. Don't play with these bags. Don't give them to children or small animals. They'd be bad. Don't do it. Safely dispose of it and recycle it. Oh. Adventurer 5M Pro. Woohoo! Can you hear that crinkle? It's squeaking. Static electricity. Oh! static electric. Zap me. Right, so more from recycling. There's very good use of space with all the packaging. I'm so lucky it's recycling day tomorrow. Okay. There's a good amount of cable. I'm 5'6" and a bit. And the cable's way, way bigger than me. That much bigger than me. Some filament. Got half a roll there. Little USB stick. A spare nozzle. A mystery box. Unboxing among the unboxing. The mystery box containing whatever this metal thing is. .3D printing adhesive. White grease. Some tiny screws. A pair of snippers. Some Allen keys and a screwdriver. Yep, that's everything. Isn't that fab? Well, so I don't lose this, I'll put that. Oh, there is something else. One of these, whatever that is. And for now, I'm going to safely put these other bits in the box with these. Keep them all safe. On we go. This is a conundrum. How is all this fitted together? Well, there's something we can do. Ooh, nice. Anyway, we have got this massive piece of foam still in here. And I'm not quite sure how they got it in or how we get it out. there. I like that. Isn't that? Yes. Yes. Aha. Right. When you're unboxing these, to get this piece out, push these gently back. Then this bit will come down below this lip to bring it out. But we're not done yet. There's another piece. Okay, so let's have a look around her. First things first, we can see in there, and this is where the things get printed, I think. There's a fan over here. Okay. Does that lift? Yeah. Oh, it seems to be magnetic. There's a lot of resistance there and it pulls straight back down, so that's magnetic. So that's some sort of removable thing. Close the door. And up here, this will be the print head, I imagine. Okay. And we'll close the lid. And there's some sort of foam rubber there. Maybe for noise dampening. There's a USB slot, power button and a screen. Nothing on that side. Nothing on that side. There's this mysterious pipe here. I think that must be where the filament goes in. And it brings us to the back. And at the bottom we have, I think that must be a network cable, maybe, on-off switch, and IET socket. So, there we have it. Unboxed. When we're ready to start printing things, I'll be sure to let you know. See you later. I love you. Bye-bye.